Or you think you'll be able to do this? Wait.
Oh, one more?
Yeah.
It's lit. It's lit.
Are you gonna be able to open the door? I am.
Yo, what is good, guys? It's lit. It's lit. It's lit. Just kidding, guys. I don't know. Maybe I don't know if it's this monster. I don't know, guys, but I'm feeling good. Right now, we just came back from Ontario. If you guys don't live in California, that's about an hour drive from where we live. So we're currently going back to town. Leo went to go drop off your front coilovers.
Yeah, the front two.
His front two coilovers to get rebuilt. One of them is blown, so you might as well just rebuild both of them since it's the front. Get them both nice for track day. So yeah, Leo's coming along on his shit. I still need to start my track prep. I haven't even started, but I'll get on that soon. But right now, we're gonna pick up my S2000. I'm gonna wash it down real quick because it's dirty, and we're gonna take it somewhere, and we're gonna do some fuckery on it. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I like it. Hopefully I don't regret it, but we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take the S2000 to a shop right now and get a muffler delete. I've been debating it for a really long time. I think it's gonna sound good. I'm gonna be taking the S2000 to a shop and I'm gonna get a muffler delete. So I've been debating it for a long time. I've been saving up for coilovers, but guys, I'm so tired of the stock sound. It's so boring. I hit VTech and I still don't hear shit, so hopefully I won't regret this muffler delete. And also guys, it's kind of a good thing because before I slam the car, you know, it's gonna be kind of hard to find a shop that is willing to work on it and get it up a lift. So I'm doing it before, so yeah. And this is only temporary, guys. I do plan on getting a legit exhaust, so hopefully this muffler delete will sound good until then. So it's not permanently, just until I get an exhaust. But so you already know, for the sake of the video, we actually get the before clip, so let's get that stock started. Alright guys. Don't worry guys, the car is already warmed up, so. Damn, Leo, you showed no mercy. What was that, like 6,000-7,000?
Yeah, it was like 7.
Alright guys, so yeah, now we're gonna go get the muffler delete, and I was gonna wash or hose down the car before, but whatever, we could do that after. But yeah, let's go. Hey, where are you going? Hey, alright, hey.
Goes right in the whip.
So of course, we also have to get that VTech crossover before the muffler delete. So we downshift one more time. Oh shit, one more time. Alright, you guys ready? So that's before. Hopefully this muffler delete opens it up a little bit because you can't really hear it, so we'll find out.
Never play sports. I can see that. It's like video. Yeah, right. You see the key on the mufflers? Yeah. See the thing
Alright guys, back at HQ. Just did a little hose down on the car, nothing too major. Just took off all that dirt from the rain. But you already know guys, we showed you that stock sound clip. Now we have to show you the after the muffler delete. Here Lee, I'll give you that. My gun cam.
What? You ricer?
What do you think? Sounds good? You still recording?
Yeah.
Sounds good or not? Sounds good?
What do you think?
It's cool. It's loud.
Just a muffler delete too. It sounds better though, fucking like banging the gears.
Yeah, it does.
That sounds cool. Alright guys, so there's a street over there yonder, so we're gonna see if my car is loud enough. We're gonna see how loud it is, so Leo's gonna stay here and we'll see if we get it on camera or not. Just for an idea, you know, so. Be right back.
These guys left me alone. I'm sad now. I honestly can't hear him. He said he was just going down the street. Oh, wait. That sounds pretty cool, I guess. I thought it was gonna be a little quieter than that. It's really like, whoa. Yeah, someone blowing on my phone. Damn, my boy out here smashing. I could have sworn they were about to pull up. I can't distinguish my boy's car anymore. Oh, here they pull up. They're about to pull up. Yep, that's them. Wait, what the fuck? Oh.
Alright guys, so Leo's car's on jack stands right now. Like we said, he's getting his front coils rebuilt right now, so it's gonna be on jack stands for about a week or so. Just straight chilling.
Yep. Because this doesn't drive or run. I don't have a decent car to drive around.
Just throw springs in there. For now.
Oh, you know what I'm gonna do?
Oh.
You know, oh, no, never mind. Front wheel drive. Fuck.
What are you gonna say?
You know those like little they sell Harbor Freight that you put the wheels on so you can move the car around? But it's front wheel drive.
Alright guys, comment down below what you guys think on the exhaust sound. So the S2000s, they go from a 2.5 quarter, and then when it reaches the white pipe on the mufflers, it goes to a 2 1/4. And we're debating to just make it all the way 2.5, just straight through. Bro, they always... See what I deal with? You guys see the... Anyways guys, so we just stuck with the 2 1/4. and it sounds really good. It's kind of loud just for being the stock 2 1/4. All we did was remove the mufflers. So if we would have went 2 1/2, that probably would have been a lot louder. So I'm happy we just stayed with the 2 1/4. Let me show you guys a close-up of the work. So first and foremost, we did change out the tips. So they do look OEM. They're not too different from the stock ones, but they look better. They're not as ovalish. They're more of a circle. I don't know what it says on the top, but just wanted the stainless steel. They look pretty good, better than the stock ones. So I'm happy.
We're gonna go push him out.
Leo, what are you doing?
What?
Yeah, kill it. Leo.
Oh shit.
So we came looking for mud, but unfortunately it's all dried up. My boy's still wilding out. Uh-oh. Uh-huh.
Oh, here we go.
A little bit of mud right there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Huck it! Huck it!
But it's all dry.
Damn. Right there.
Oh, fuck, man, that's just
right there.
Fuck though.
Come on.
Oh, get stuck in there.
David would have pushed you out.
Oh shit. Fuck. Yeah. I would have pushed you out.
Oh well, they left me back here. What?
We're here, right here, okay? Or right here, buddy. Don't get scared.
Okay. Yeah, let's go.
Hey, how is it back there?
Cozy.
Alright.
Sounds pretty good.
Huh?
Sounds pretty good.
It does sound pretty good.
Wait, what? Look.
What is it?
Bleak by geek.
Okay. I'm down.
Alright, here he comes.
Guys, for our next video, if Leo lets me, I think this would look sick on the Civic. Just for track day or what?
If you want to borrow it.
I'm down. We'll see how it looks. But guys, if we throw it on the Civic, we're gonna have to extend it right here. So we're gonna have to chop this off and then probably extend it maybe like 2 inches. Maybe. Well, we're gonna have to mock it up and see how much more we're gonna have to extend it. And also we're gonna need a flange. And then we'll be able to throw it on. I think it'll look sick. I'm not sure how it's gonna sound. I don't know if it's gonna make it quieter.
Did for me. Well, that's because I have a resonator.
Yeah, I don't have
don't.
shit, so we'll see. We'll see if it makes it quieter or the same. But that's probably for our next video. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I think it should look pretty sick. This K-chain muffler.
Andy?
Is that how I sound?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. Right now, Leo has to go to church and confess himself to the priest. What are you gonna confess, bro? You did an illegal motor swap or what?
Yeah. Bro, just told my dad.
Bro, I'm not talking to you.
Dude, it worked as a little kid. It will work right
What you
now.
want me to say? What you want me to say?
Can he stay?
Can he please stay?
Let's say it on the video.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed
Bro,
today's.
just so much that fucking stay. If it
Tell-
worked that we were like 7, it'll work right now.
So dude. Oh.
What? Ask for that fucking stay.
Alright.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below you guys' thoughts and opinions on how it sounds. I think it sounds good. It's perfect for now until I get an exhaust. That's down the line though. But thank you guys for, oh, why is this shit so zoomed in? Ooh. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It really helps us out. And subscribe for more videos. So we'll see you guys in the next video. I know it's a little short, but this was like last minute. I wasn't really expecting to do that muffler delete. It was kind of just last minute, like, hey, why not? So hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll have a next video soon. I'm gonna try to upload more for you guys. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see you guys in the next video. You guys flame? What are you guys flaming me?
Hey, yo, wicked flow.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Does it say wicked flow? Oh. Oh, it does say wicked flow. Oh. Whatever. Also guys, go check out our website. There's only a few hats left. Link will be down below. And yeah, just check out our merch guys. All will be down below. So yeah, thank you guys. Later.